Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into an exciting topic, passive income through peer-to-peer lending. In this video, we'll explore what peer-to-peer lending is, how you can get started, and of course the pros and cons. So if you're looking to make your money work for you, keep watching. Let's start with the beginning. What is peer-to-peer lending? Well, it's a modern way of investing where you, as a lender, directly loan your money to individuals or small businesses through online platforms. It's like being a mini banker. Now, let's get into the nitty-gritty of how you can get started with P2P lending. Step 1. Research and choose a platform. The first step is to research and choose a P2P lending platform that suits your needs. Platforms like Prosper, Lending Club, and Funding Circles are popular options. Step 2. Create your account. Once you have chosen a platform, you'll need to create an account. This usually involves providing some personal information and verifying your identity. Step 3. Add funds. To start lending, you'll need to fund your account. You can typically transfer money from your bank account to the P2P lending platform account. Step 4. Diversify your portfolio. Diversification is key in P2P lending. Don't put all your money into one loan. Spread it across several loans to minimize risk. Now, let's talk about the pros and cons of passive income through P2P lending. Pros. Number 1. High returns. P2P lending can offer high returns compared to traditional saving accounts or bonds. It's a way to make your money work harder. Number 2. Portfolio diversification. As mentioned earlier, P2P lending allows you to diversify your investment portfolio, spreading risk across various loans. Number 3. Passive income. It's called passive income for a reason. You earn money without much active involvement once you have invested your funds. Cons. Number 1. Risk of default. Just like any investment, P2P lending carries risk. Borrowers may default on your loans, causing you to lose some or all of your investment. Number 2. Limited liquidity. Unlike stocks or bonds, P2P loans can be less liquid. Your money may be tied up until the loan term ends. Number 3. Platform risk. There's also the risk of lending platform itself. If the platform goes bankrupt or has legal issue, it can affect your investments. And there you have it, a glimpse into the world of passive income through P2P lending. It's a unique way to grow your wealth, but it's essential to do your homework and understand the risk involved. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a huge thumbs up and subscribe for more financial tips and investment insights. As always, please do your research and consider seeking professional advice before jumping into the world of P2P lending. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.